How to trade without losing your mind and health. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to a whimsical journey through the mystical land of trading, where numbers dance and dreams sometimes take a nosedive. Today, we'll giggle our way through this quagmire and find out how to trade without losing your mind or your health kit. Step right up to the trading circus. Imagine if Wall Street met a three-ring circus. Stocks soar, emotions soar higher, and your heart races like a platform diver. But fear not. We're here to tame this wild beast and show you trading can be more fun and less freak out. First, let's play Safari and spot different trader breeds. Are you a cautious turtle slowly traversing the volatile landscape, or a wild gazelle in for a quick sprint? Knowing your trading spirit animal is key, not for taxonomic purposes, but for sculpting your unique, madness-free strategy. Mistakes? Think of them as ticket stubs to laughter. Every trader has made a blunder and spilled coffee on their spreadsheets. Don't worry, turn that frown upside down and transform bloopers into belly laughs. Holding onto your sanity means finding the humor in hiccups and treating every misstep as a punchline. Contrary to its serious name, stress management can actually be a delightful game. Create stress-busting traditions like stress ball dodgeball or meditation marathons. Why not swap the stress headache for a pillow fight? Buff up those endorphins and laugh your jitters away. Trading should be exhilarating, not excruciating. You've heard the phrase, health is wealth. But did you know it's crucial in trading too? Think sleep-ins and veggie snacks. Fuel your body and mind for the trading treadmill ahead. Avoid screens after hours to preserve your precious peepers. A healthy trader is a happy trader with profits and a pulse. Got burnt by the market? We've got your comedic cure. All it takes is a funny film, a goofy dance, or telling jokes till you're rolling with laughter. When trading burns you out, dousing with hilarity helps soothe the sting and reinvigorate your spirit to tackle the next trade. Find fellow traders to join your quest. With your new pals, swap trading tips like rare Pokemon cards and toast to tactical triumphs. Trading doesn't have to be solitary confinement. Build a community where you share highs, lows, and epic meme-worthy moments that brighten the gloomiest days. Forget complex charts resembling advanced algebra. Embrace tools designed with simplicity in mind. Many apps and platforms make trading as intuitive as tagging your friends on a meme. Choose tech that keeps trading light and breezy. Let's make those stock charts as fun and colorful as a comic strip. Craft your trading strategy like a game plan for the ultimate dodgeball tournament. Flexible, yet firm. Like any masterful play, it combines patience, precision, and, yes, a knack for dodging financial havoc. Always anticipate an encore performance and see your strategy as evolving entertainment. Who said trading isn't a multi-part sitcom? The emotional ride might feel like a Shakespearean tragedy or a sketch comedy. Acknowledge your feelings and give them cameos, surprise, suspense, or sometimes silliness. Sustainable trade habits keep chaos under control. After today's performance, you'll bask in applause and accolades. Sprinkle every trading session with humor and creativity, and you'll not only survive, but thrive, with spirits high and sanity intact. Thank you for joining our trading extravaganza. If you chuckled or learned a thing or two, show us some love by hitting like and subscribing to our channel. Until then, happy trading, and don't forget your clown nose.